With the 800th standard equipment passing the test and rolling off the production line, Clescrane has gone through its 10th year of development. Never forget our original aspiration, adhering to long-termism, and always insists on providing satisfactory products and services for every user. All the things you do actively will nourish you. All the things you do passively will deplete you. Many things that were originally out of reach will become closer and closer to you because of your initiative. Hope you can become a proactive person and confidently reach out to your destiny. Some questions do not require answers. Attitude. It's the answer. The PBS system embodies the efforts and hard work of the Clescrane team. In the past 3 years, we have a clearer understanding of where we need to go next. Providing value to users in the paper industry is what PBS systems can do. As our market positioning, we hope to help 80% of paper mill users achieve scientific product management and efficient logistics automation. People change because of pain, and persist because of the benefits after change. In the next 10 years, Clescrane aims to transform into a comprehensive enterprise that integrates software development, automation control, product design and manufacturing, and project management around the papermaking industry. Improving product details and service details, become experts in the field of paper logistics management, provide continuous services and value for paper enterprises, and help our users create greater glories.